So today we're going to be taking a look at Sketchup and Lumion 10. Lumion 10 is a program much like Pool Structure, Structure Studio's Pool Studio. So Lumion 10 has a lot of features in terms of creating visual walkthroughs for customers, and it's appealing to pool designers, architectural designers, landscape designers, things like that. So I'm just walking through the program, and I've imported a SketchUp 3D composite into Lumion, and now you can see me. I'm just navigating through the libraries of materials and 3D objects, and I'm importing some trees in here. You can also import a variety of different objects into Lumion that you can create in SketchUp and import them as unique objects. There's a variety of different filters for creating enhancements to your videos. So I've seen some really sophisticated 3D renderings that have been created in Lumion. And I'm just toying with the interface right now to just see all of the different filters and what they do. So this daytime filter looks like it lets you create different atmosphere, and I like this one. Yeah, this watercolor feature is pretty cool. And this this waterfall thing I just threw in there is a sheer descent into the pool. And so you can import 3D objects once they actually get into Lumion. It's pretty cool. Like these people I imported, and I brought them in. I brought that lounge chair in there, and I just positioned the people to sit on the ledge lounger. And I'll show you how you create your walkthrough videos a little later in this video tutorial. But as you can see, you know, just panning around the pool, and you can create all your different vantage points and then piece them together later on. So where I found that 3D model was a website called 3D Warehouse, 3dwarehouse.sketchup.com. And I'm just searching for a swimming pool rendering so that we can go through this from the top, and I could show you how I did this. So I'm downloading a SketchUp, and I'll just open it up in SketchUp real quick just to show you any changes that you want to make to the model have to happen on the SketchUp side before you bring it into Lumion, because you can't edit anything in Lumion until it's a little weird. Alright, so you have to do all your 3D stuff in the 3D program before you get it into Lumion and start doing your video walkthroughs. So I'm just showing you all the different aspects of the 3D model, and I'll import it real quick. And here's where you can pick a atmosphere of what you want your backdrop to look like, right? So I'm just going to pick something really simple. And alright, so a word of caution here. You really need good computer equipment to run Lumion. Alright, so I'm running a pretty good laptop with a great graphics card in it, and it's still taking me a really long time to load up Lumion. It's going to take you a while too.
3 hours later.
Alright, so we're finally in it, and it took a while, and I went to walk my dog. I made a cup of coffee and a sandwich, but now I'm back, and I can look at my 3D object in Lumion, right? And I'm not going to do anything crazy to this rendering. Alright, I'm just going to create a couple of snapshots for my video walkthrough and show you how that's done. So you'll want to click on that movie icon, and here's where you can actually begin creating your recording. So I'll add a keyframe here, and you'll have to use the mouse and the keyboard. It's a little tricky to figure out, but if you've used Pool Studio before, or you're into video games, you should catch on pretty quick on how to navigate using a combination of the keyboard and the mouse at the same time to control your elevation and your positioning in the 3D world. So, yep, it's a little tricky. But now I've created a couple of different vantage points, and if I want to, I can go up and down, left and right, and fly through here and create isolation shots if I want to of different things that I want to draw the viewer's attention to. Alright. So I've got a rendered video here, and I'm just going to preview it. Does it look alright? Yep, looks pretty good to me. Okay. So now we want to render that, but first we're going to take a look at what that would look like with a filter on it. So I'll throw that sketch filter on it again, and you can see how it just changes it to like a line drawing, right? So it had originally that that Grand Theft Auto-y type of look to it, and now it looks more like an architectural rendering. And this is how you would render it out. So again, this takes a very long time to render out a movie, but if you have patience, you'll get a pretty good result.